Introducing Champion Power Equipment's 55-watt dual-fuel portable generator. This generator can run on propane or gasoline straight out of the box. Perfect for your next weekend project, or whenever you might need a little extra power. And the 30-amp locking outlet and 4 120-volt GFCI household outlets make this unit a great choice for backup power around the house, providing 5,500 watts of power to your major household appliances during a power outage. Read your operator's manual to easily get your unit up and running. Open the box to safely access the generator. Attach the wheel kit. Add oil to the generator. Move the generator outside. Add gasoline to the generator. Or connect your propane supply. And select your fuel source. Start the generator. And plug in your desired equipment. Champion's 5,500-watt dual-fuel portable generator. Innovation, power, and dependability.